Ryan Garcia is an American professional boxer. Garcia started boxing at the age of 7 and dreamed of one day representing the United States in the 2016 Olympics. He became a 15-time national amateur champion and amassed an amateur record of 215-15. Garcia comes from a large family. His parents were actively involved in his amateur career. They continue to assist him with his professional career as his father remains one of his trainers and his mother works as his personal administrative assistant for commercial projects. In March 2019, Garcia's daughter was born. Although American by birth and nationality, Garcia often incorporates his Mexican heritage into his persona. He often carries both the US and Mexican flags into the ring and frequently wears red, white and blue colors. On February 24, 2023, it was announced that Garcia would face Gervonta Davis on April 22 in Las Vegas, Nevada in a 136 pounds catch weight contest. The long-awaited bout was a joint PPV event between Showtime and DAZN. Davis knocked down Garcia in the second round and then also in the seventh round from a body shot. Garcia was unable to rise on the referee's count of 10, leading to Gervonta Davis being declared winner via KO. On July 16, 2022, Garcia faced Javier Fortuna in a super lightweight bout in Crypto.com arena in Los Angeles, California. Garcia dominated the fight, scoring 3 knockdowns and defeating Fortuna in 6 rounds via TKO. On February 4, 2022, it was announced that Garcia would be returning to the ring after a long spell of inactivity against former IBO lightweight champion Emmanuel Tago on April 9. He trained with Eddie Reynoso, who also works with Canelo Alvarez and Oscar Valdez in their San Diego, California facility from October 2018 to February 2022. In September 2019, Garcia extended his contract with a new 5-year deal with Golden Boy Promotions. Specific details of the multi-year deal were not disclosed. Garcia had a cancelled fight with Avery Sparrow. On January 2, 2020, Golden Boy announced Garcia would be facing Francisco Fonseca on February 14 at the Honda Center in Anaheim. Garcia landed 7 punches in the fight before landing a lead left hook which knocked out Fonseca in the first round. On April 13, 2021, it was announced by DAZN that Garcia would defend his newly won WBC interim lightweight title against Dominican former WBA regular super featherweight champion Javier Fortuna. The bout was set for July 9 in a location to be determined and the winner would become the mandatory challenger to WBC lightweight champion Devin Haney. However, on April 24, Garcia announced he had withdrawn from the bout in order to manage his health and well-being.